For homeowners in Orange Park, protecting your home from Florida's humid climate is always a top priority. While windows are designed to bring in natural light and fresh air, poorly installed or aging windows can actually invite problems, specifically moisture infiltration and mold growth. These issues not only affect your home's comfort but can also damage its structure and your family's health. Professional window installation is one of the best ways to safeguard your home, ensuring windows are properly sealed, efficient, and built to withstand the region's unique weather conditions. The risks of improper window installation: when windows are not installed correctly, even the smallest gaps or misalignments can allow water and humid air to seep into your home. Over time, this moisture creates the perfect breeding ground for mold, mildew, and rot. In Orange Park's warm, damp climate, these issues can escalate quickly. Mold doesn't just create unpleasant odors, it can also trigger allergies, worsen asthma, and lead to costly structural repairs. Preventing moisture intrusion from the start is far easier, and less expensive, than trying to fix damage later. Creating a proper seal against humidity: one of the most important aspects of professional window installation is achieving a tight, reliable seal. Experienced installers know how to prepare the opening, apply flashing and sealants, and set the window so it closes snugly against the frame. This careful process blocks humid outdoor air from sneaking inside and prevents water from pooling around the window. A properly sealed window means less condensation on the glass, fewer drafts, and a healthier, drier indoor environment. Preventing condensation buildup: condensation happens when warm, moist air meets cooler surfaces, like window glass. While some condensation is normal, excessive buildup often points to poor installation or inefficient windows. If left unchecked, this moisture can drip into the frame or surrounding walls, leading to damage. Professional installers minimize condensation issues by ensuring the window fits properly and by recommending energy-efficient glass options. Double or triple pane windows with insulated glass help maintain balanced indoor temperatures, reducing the likelihood of condensation forming in the first place. Protecting your home's structure: moisture damage doesn't just affect your windows, it can spread to nearby drywall, flooring, and even the structural framing of your home. Wood rot and weakened materials compromise the integrity of your property, resulting in expensive repairs. With professional window installation, every step is designed to prevent water infiltration. Proper drainage systems, flashing, and caulking techniques keep water where it belongs: outside. This protects your home's structure and preserves its value over the long term. Improving indoor air quality: mold and mildew caused by moisture intrusion directly impact indoor air quality. Spores can circulate through your HVAC system, leading to health issues for your family. By preventing leaks and dampness, professionally installed windows play a key role in keeping the air in your Orange Park home fresh and healthy. Additionally, modern window designs make it easier to ventilate your home on cooler days, allowing you to let in fresh air without worrying about water intrusion. Long-term peace of mind: investing in professional installation gives you confidence that your windows are built to perform. Certified installers follow manufacturer guidelines and use best practices that DIY approaches often miss. Many professional installations also come with warranties, offering long-term protection for your investment. For Orange Park homeowners, this peace of mind means more than just avoiding mold. It means lower repair costs, greater energy efficiency, and a home that stays comfortable year-round. Conclusion: protect your home with expert window installation in Florida's humid climate. Preventing moisture and mold damage should always be a top concern. For Orange Park homeowners, professional window installation is one of the most effective ways to protect your home's structure, maintain indoor air quality, and avoid costly repairs. By ensuring a proper fit, airtight seals, and energy-efficient performance, professional installers provide more than just new windows. They provide long-term protection and comfort for your entire home. If you're considering replacing your windows, investing in expert installation is the smartest move you can make.